is up, YouTube? We are back with another one. And as you guys know, a four-wheeler had a stroke. And our friends over at Hovsco sent us out this here electric bicycle with a rear basket, and this rear basket supposedly can fit Ava on it. So we're going to test that out, and it'll be good for me to just get around the land and haul my tools in the back of it without using any gas, just straight electric. So let's dig into this and let's see what we got here. I'm so excited, guys. Let's go. Let's not waste no time, and let's dig straight into this. It comes stapled up. With all the bad weather, this thing was supposed to be in here. But they sent us the orange version. So, let's check it out. All right, first, let's get it out of here without damaging it, because I know how I do. All right. We probably could just rip the sides off of the box, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lay it down and just rip the sides off. All right. Okay. They got this box stapled pretty good, daggone tight. We'll get into it though. Come on. Probably should have just cut it open. I didn't want to damage anything. Oh, we in here. We in here, y'all. All right. Shoo-wee, bye. I'm starting to see the nice orange finish already. Already, y'all. Try to keep this thing organized. But let's take it apart and see what we got. All these different little areas and whatnot. All right. That's another piece. We'll be to the bite. We'll to the bite. Be to the bite here soon, bro. Oh man. Okay. They comes with a cart, it says. Ooh, it comes with keys. That'd be good. That'll keep the kids off of it. Yeah, keep the kids off of it, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice and smooth and orange. Got another piece right there. All right. Oh. Look at the orange on that puppy. Oh man, it got banged up. It's all right. Now I see why they put all the pads on there. Somehow it still got banged up. All right, let's get this thing put together.
Skeezy on the beat,
This bike does come equipped with a torque sensor. The load capacity of this bike is 450 pounds. Also comes with a double seat where you can ride your children in the back. It makes for a good, enjoyable family cycling time. It comes with a 48 volt 15A world-known removable Samsung LG battery with 750 watt sustainable and 1,300 watt at peak. Hub motor, 40 to 60 mile riding range. All right, first impression. Let's see what we got here. Cut this bad boy on. I wish I had my GoPro charged, but I didn't. So let's put our helmet on. All right, let's see. Pass. Let's put the pass at 2. Ooh, okay. As soon as you hit the little pedal, she okay. Okay. Comfy seats. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's how we pulling up. That's how we pulling up. It has like a little throttle control on it where you could use just straight battery, I'm guessing. I'm pretty sure it'll run out faster if you do it that way. But I guess the pass is whenever you put your foot on here and you pedal a little bit, it gives you a little push. Let's put it on 5 and see how much of a push we get. Okay. Okay, that's a lot of, okay, that's a lot of help. Okay. Oh, we going through the field. Oh, brakes hard. They can't even see me right now. Okay, whoa, 16 miles an hour. Oh. Woo. They gave this electric bike to the wrong person. Good gracious. Good gracious. I'm a bike man. This thing is powerful. This thing is powerful. We coming in hot. I used to ride like BMXs back in the day, do wheelies, all that crazy stuff. So this is like right up my alley. The real test is we're gonna take this thing to the Homestead. We're gonna stack a couple of logs on it. I'm 250 pounds. I think they said this thing could pull up to 250 with no problem. So we're gonna test it out. But for now, let's enjoy the ride. I wanted to show y'all the screen, but my camera is acting crazy. It's not the actual screen. Just want to let you guys know that it's not the screen. It's my actual phone that's making it blink like that. So hold on, let's see. Okay, here we go. We got to get out of the light. All right. The light was too crazy for my camera just then. But here we go. We're right here, open road. I want to see how fast we can get this thing to go. Y'all ready? It's kind of going downhill as well, so we should be good. Let's go. Going downhill 22 miles an hour. We cooking. I got the throttle on. We're going up the hill now. It reduced back down. Let's go around the bump. All right, here we go. Here comes the straightaway. Okay. I'm 250 pounds. Straight max. Does it go any higher than... It doesn't go higher than 6. But everything you need to do right here is thumb control. Is literally right here. It has a light and everything. And then, of course, it all shows up right here. We're moving, bubs. This is amazing. This is my first ever electric bike. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of fun. Just take me a little ride and get my exercise in. Then when my legs get tired, I can just give myself a break with the electric. It's pretty nice. The lake is beautiful today. Ain't nothing like a little bike ride, y'all. All e-bikes will be provided with free shipping from US-based warehouses and a 2-year warranty. They also partner with 100+ dealers and storefronts to offer test rides and maintenance for service. During this speed test, we wasn't able to get it up to 28 miles per hour, but it can go there if you just simply download the app and unlock the level 3. This bike is very enjoyable, and boy, am I getting a workout with it. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She be coming around the mountain. She be coming around the mountain. She be coming around. Good gracious. Oh man, what a bike. This may be one of the coolest things I've gotten to actually review. And I like this. I'm going to be using this starting daily. Probably help me out on the weight loss journey as well. Get up in the morning, bicycle out, try to make it back home. Sounds like a great plan. Definitely going to put this into effect soon. But we also have to do that test. We got to take it to the Homestead, fill it up, and maybe a log or 2 or 3. See how much this thing can pull. So, see you at the Homestead. All right. We brung this over here, and I'm 250 pounds. They say this thing can haul up to 400 and something pounds. So let's put a couple logs on it, and let's take a ride. Stack some logs in here. One log.
We got 1 log. We've got
2 logs.
2 logs.
We got 3 logs.
3 logs in that.
Yep. Now let's run off into the sunset. I'm the goat.
I think I'm better at it.
Let's cut this thing going real quick. Put the pass up. Let's get on up out of here. Good gracious sakes. Huh?
How you gonna get up the bridge?
I haven't figured it out yet. I actually probably should have put my helmet on. All right. Going up the hill. Oh, how am I gonna make it? This hill is very steep. Look at the pigs, y'all. Oh my God. Woo-hoo! Probably should have strapped my logs in. All right, all right, we made it. It fell off. My other log fell off, but we made it.
With two.
We made it with two. That hill is steep.
I know.
I probably should have put a strap on it, and that would have held it down. But this bike is phenomenal overall, man. I have had no complaints out of it.
Except for this.
It's getting us around the homestead and everything. So we're gonna do what we do with it, man. You know what I mean? Get yourself one. Hit the link down in the bottom for our affiliate, and we're
It's
gonna
called Hovsco.
take off on this thing. I got to put the I'm gonna put the rack back on there. I just had to see how this thing carry, but I'm gonna put the seat back on so that I can ride them around. But
Dang it, we got to walk with them again.
yeah, cause I took it off. But I appreciate you guys. Like we say in every video, man, love, peace, and happiness. And
Bye.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Make sure you get you one, guys.